If you want to hide all photos, posts and videos on Facebook from public, then this video is for you. First, you have to open your Facebook application, then here tap on the menu button, then you will find this type of interface. Now from here you just need to click on your profile. Now from here you will find the three dot button, simply click on it. Now click on activity log. Now from here the first option you will find your Facebook activity, simply click on it. Now from here you will find post, click on manage post. Now from here you will find all kind of posts that you make in your Facebook account. Now you just need to filter it, click on filter and click on categories. Now from here the first one is your posts, photos and videos. Click on it and you will find all the posts, photos and videos in this list. Right now I don't have enough photos and videos on my account, so I'm going to show you as example. This is a photo of mine. Then you just need to click on this three dot button here, but we are going to select all of those in the list. So that's for that you just need to click on all button here, simply click on this box and it will select all over the list that posts and photos and videos available on your account. Then you just need to click on this three dot button. From here at the last you will find change audience, click on it. Now from here you will find the change audience button, click on it and then you will find three options: public, friends and only me. You just need to click on only me and click on change. Now it will change to only me. That's mean all the posts, photos and the videos that you have posted on your Facebook account will only visible to you. None other on Facebook can see or interact with your post, photos and videos. That means you have hidden all the posts, videos and photos on your Facebook. That's how you can hide your all the media that are available on your Facebook account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.